Life can feel overwhelming. There are moments when you're hurt, confused, and completely alone. You try to talk to people, but they don't understand. You look for comfort, but nothing works. Your heart is heavy, your mind is tired, and your soul just wants peace. That's when you need to remember there is one who always listens, Allah. He doesn't need you to explain your pain, because He already knows it. He doesn't judge you when you cry. He welcomes your tears. He never leaves your side. Even when you feel lost, when no one can fix what's broken inside you, He can. His help comes in ways you can imagine, and at the time you need it most. All He wants is for you to turn to Him sincerely, completely. So in your darkest moments, don't search for 1,000 answers. Just raise your hands and say your Allah. Help me, because truly the only one who can solve what you're going through is Allah.